This is how we use a bolt reference gauge. First, we look at the head of the fastener and look to see if it's a graded fastener, which means it's inch, or if it's a class part, which would mean metric. Since this is a grade 8, we're going to use the inch side, which is the bottom of the card. We come up here and we're going to measure, and you can see it is 2.75 inches long. Next, we're going to figure out the diameter. You start here and slide till you find a hole. It slides through nicely. In this case, it is 3/8 of an inch. As we come over here on the chart on the bottom, we find 3/8, and it lists 16 and 24, and that is threads per inch, so the thread pitch. We come to the back side of the card here, and we will look, and we'll see 24 here. It doesn't lock in nice, so we come up to 16, locks in. That gives us a thread pitch of 3/16 on this bolt. Another thing that we can do with this is if you happen to have a nut, you put it on the studs on the end and you find which one it slides onto. If it slides halfway down and stops on the shoulder, it is a coarse thread. So in this case, 16 threads per inch. Another thing that we can do is if you happen to have a washer, you can measure the outside diameter along the ruler on the bottom. And if you're going through here, you slide it over the hole till you find one that it's just slightly larger than, so it has clearance to go over the threads. So in this case, it is 5/16 of an inch. And that is a quick tutorial on how to use a bolt reference gauge.